these are the best noise cancelling headphones that I have ever used. And that's exactly why I want to play them. I'll come back to that in a little bit. Welcome back to another episode of STU'S.
To start this story, I must take you back, however, to a couple of weeks ago when I was opening some parcels. So these are the Edifier WH950NB, or ONB, on B. WH95ONB. Edifier, if you're watching this, please do let me know if you want any branding help, because that's not exactly a memorable name, but it doesn't matter because I'm super excited to test these out. I've taken a look at a ton of Edifier stuff over the years, and in fact one of my most popular videos was on a set of Edifier speakers that I did end up tearing up and putting inside a TV cabinet. But they're fantastic speakers and I still use them to this day inside that TV cabinet. And in fact, just over there on the gaming desk, I also have a set of gaming speakers as well, which I reviewed. You can take a look at those. But this is the first noise cancelling over-ear headphones that I've tried from Edifier, and I'm super excited to give these a go. Hopefully they meet my expectations. Okay, so we've got a nice neat case just on the top here, kind of gold emblazoning. Whoa, hey up! I tell you what, these look lovely. Actually, I'm really up for this design. It's really, really nice. I like the fact that this has kind of like a faux sort of leather feeling on the outside here. The cups and the top here are super soft, semi-bronze accents there, which is really quite nice as well. USB-C charging, but overall quite a nice design. This mechanism is quite cool as well. Looks nice. Then we've got this kind of brushed metal on the top. I would give the design of these a good 8 out of 10. I really like them. Let's listen to them though. Let's give them a listen. Oh, the noise cancellation on this is very good. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. That is this. The noise cancellation is very, very, very good. Let's put some music through. I am so impressed at how good these are at noise cancellation. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. That is so good. That is so good. I genuinely wonder how good these will be on things like planes. Right, let's listen to some music, shall we? Yeah, do you know what? These are excellent. They're really, really good. They've got a great warm sound, which is the kind of sound that I look for in a lot of my audio products. I really, really think these are fantastic. I need to find out how much they are, though. How much are they? The sound is exceptional, and the technology behind these is quite impressive. The 40mm dynamic driver ensures powerful audio performance, and with the LDAC codec, high-res audio and high-res wireless certification, these headphones deliver rather exceptional sound quality. They also feature an advanced 4-mic ENC system for clarity on voice calls. And as for music, you can personalize your EQ and choose from various music modes in the Edifier connected app. The internal battery can last for 34 hours of playback with ANC on, or 55 hours with ANC off, with 7 hours of playback time after charging for just 10 minutes. And lastly, those with Android phones can rejoice as they support Google Fast Pair. So some impressive specs come with this impressive experience so far, but let's pause it right here and roll back this episode just a little bit. I genuinely wonder how good these will be on things like planes. So how good are they at noise cancellation? That is the question. And that is exactly why I'm here on this flight in the most noisy commercial transport you can possibly take to test how good they are. Now, I haven't got
noise cancellation on at the moment. I'm just going to turn it on here and see how well it does. So I can still hear a little bit. It's like almost like a very small fan that's on the corner. To me, I can hear my voice perfectly. It's kind of reverberating in my head, but everyone else is silent. It's so good. These are so good. It is unbelievable. I'm genuinely impressed with how good these things actually are. Obviously, planes don't take off and land in exactly the same spot, which is the justification I used for my wife to explain why I was going to Portugal for the night to review these headphones. And it is only a night. That's all she would give me. So if you want to see my 24-hour vlog of Portugal, do take a look at my second channel, STU'S Reviews Travel. I'll link it below. But back to these headphones. So I didn't know what to expect with these headphones. I thought that maybe because the sound cancellation, the noise cancellation was so good, that the sound would suffer. But I was very wrong. The sound is excellent. It's rich. It's warm. The tone is exactly what I look for in a pair of headphones. Now, obviously, sound is subjective, and some people will prefer more cool tones, crisper tones. But for me, I love warmth and richness, and they do not disappoint. These things are incredible for sound. All I can say for certainty is that I love them. They're really, really quite something special. So that makes it 3 for 3. The style is wonderful. It's up my street. The sound is incredible. And the noise cancellation is just out of this world. But there's one further surprise that these headphones have in store, and that is the price. Before I tell you the price, yes, I know I'm a massive tease, I want to give a huge shout out to this episode's sponsor, Edifier VPN. Don't you just hate it when you are 2,000 miles away from your home and there's that TV show back home that you absolutely must watch, but you can't access it because you're in some country that you have no idea where on earth it is? Well, that is where this month's sponsor comes in. Edifier provides a safe browsing experience anywhere in the world through 256-bit encryption and gives you tons of added benefits such as bypassing ISP throttling, full freedom by removing geo restrictions, an internet kill switch, dedicated IP, split tunneling, and smart purpose selection for automatically giving you the best experience based on what you're doing. It supports almost all major platforms, and the best thing is that Edifier have a number of monthly and yearly subscription available to suit all price ranges. But they have a super special offer at the moment, $60 for a 5-year subscription. If you want to give Edifier a go, I'll drop my link below for you guys to check them out. Now that we're back in the studio, let's finally talk about the price. These headphones on Amazon are £179 when at RRP, and when I checked, they're actually down to £153. But to be honest, at either price, I have to say, there isn't much that comes close to this level of quality at this price range. And I'm not just talking about the sound quality here. I'm talking about the build, the overall experience. These should be priced at a lot higher than they actually are, and I cannot believe the price. It's extraordinary. Now, I get that sound is completely subjective and everyone has different preferences when it comes to sound, but there really isn't much that I've got to say that's negative about these, especially when it comes to sound. Perhaps from a design perspective, the matte texture on a small section of the headband could scratch pretty easily if you don't take care of it. And perhaps the softness of the cups and headband cushion, I guess I do wonder a little bit about the longevity. These are so soft and comfortable, but the question is, how well would this material hold up over time? But unfortunately, only time will tell. But I've been overall blown away with my experience with these headphones, so much so that these are now my go-to for over-ear headphones, and certainly within this price bracket. I can easily see why they've already got such a good Amazon review rating and why these are already winning awards like the Red Dot Award. If you do buy these, or I guess if you already have them, do pop into the comments and let me know what you think about these, whether I'm right or wrong. Let's have a good chinwag in the comments. But if you enjoyed today's slightly different episode and certainly different locations, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed it. Or if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to see more. If you want to check out today's sponsor, Edifier VPN, I'll leave a link in the description for you. But other than that, guys, I will see you back for another episode of STU'S Reviews soon. Just wondering how I can convince my wife to let me go to somewhere else. Maybe I could review a keyboard in Thailand.